Hello dear, you're welcome to today's class. Before you came, I was playing with my wave machine. This machine shows how waves move through a medium, like this. This is what happens when you throw a stone into water. You see waves moving outwards. So today we want to make a machine that shows how waves move through a medium, like this. So to do this, you need wooden skewers, a sellotape, scissors, and molding clay. You start by making the handles. So let's begin. You get about 4 wooden skewers in 2 places. You keep them like this. Next, you get your sellotape and you measure the length of this skewer and you cut the sellotape. So let's do it together, like this. Good. Let's cut this one out. You measure the length like this, then you cut carefully. Then you place it like this. Then you put the wooden skewers on it carefully like this. Then you close it. You have something like this. This is one of the handle. Then you do another one. So let's cut the excess part out like this. Cut this part out. Then do another one. Let's go. Get your sellotape, measure it, and cut. Place it on your table. Then you place these ones on it. And you fold it. Fold it like this neatly. And you have the second handle. Good. Next, you get your sellotape. Let's see where it is. Somewhere here. Good. You put it at one of the handles like this neatly. Then you stretch it out on your table like this. Don't cut it yet, leave it there. Then you get these skewers. You measure a length of about, let's measure it. It's about 12 centimeters from the handle. 12 centimeters from the handle. Then you get another one, give about 5 centimeters gap. Another one, 5 centimeters gap. 5 centimeters. So you can make it as long as you want, but we'll just use 10. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 9, 10. Next, you get the other handle. You stretch it gradually and give another gap, and you cut. So at this end, you fold it like this. Good. Next, you cut another sellotape and you stretch it from one end to another like this. Then you cut it neatly. So let's cut it here. Now you have it. Lay it on the other one like this, neatly and carefully, like this. Okay, so this one has shifted, so let's take it back to this place. There you go. You're done with this stage. Then you have something like this. Next, let's return this one. We're done with this one also. So next, you get your molding clay and you make about 20 balls like this. Roll 20 balls. Let's get more molding clay. So let's roll them. When you're done, you start putting them like this. Here, 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 and here, here, at the ends. You can put different colors: orange, white, milk color, black. Okay, put the balls. So when you're done, you have something like this. Let's adjust the ones that are not straight. Next, you get a friend to hold one of the ends, or you can hold it by yourself, and then you twist it like this and watch the wave move from one side to another. So let's move it gradually. See, what started here ended here. Let's take it again. Let's take it from this other side. Okay, watch it. Good. So this is how waves move. So let's keep moving it. So this is how wave move through a particular medium. That's all about our wave machine for today. See you next time.